chocolate. Look at yours. So when it's done, you can put some graham crackers on it. We'll put it in the bin. Don't eat it. What's that? Plenty of chocolate.
These guys are insane.
Let's first.
Oh my god.
Mix it. Yes. Yes.
Wait, how should I put it?
What do you think? Yeah.
Done?
The apples?
Candy. Yeah, it tastes a lot better.
Are we not talking? This is good. How's the whipped cream? Delicious. Better than store-bought?
wraps?
Do I have saran wrap? Yeah. I do. Are you making a bunny?
No, it's a cat.
It's a cat. That's what I knew it was a cat, but is it?
It's a cat. Do you see the cat?
I see the cat.